absolutely love this hair. So without further ado, let's get in.
Alright, I can't complain, no. The sun's shining down on me, yeah. Alright, when the rain falls, it's on.
So we're gonna begin this video with doing a hair review. This is what the box look like. Here's the back, see everything. I'm gonna open this up. Inside, the wig is like this. It comes with the wig in a package in a zip bag, like so. Comes with wig cap, 2. It comes with this VIP card here. Looks like this. Comes with an adjustable elastic band, and it also comes with a comb. This is a 26-inch straight unit here, and it is a 13x6 lace closure. So as you can see, there's a lot of lace space. One thing that I hate is wigs that stop like right about here and you only have this much of parting space. So this is what the construction of the wig looks like. It comes with 4 combs. I have already cut the lace off. As you can see, it's very full. Okay, so we're just gonna pop sheet 1. Okay, you don't want it too far on your forehead, but you don't want it too far back either. It does not come with a smell, you guys. It is extremely soft. It's so freaking soft and pretty. It smells like it's actually been washed, or like it doesn't have like a scent to it. But you know, most units that, or hair bundles, whatever you order, and they come from overseas or online, they have a stitch to them, some type of odor smell. Whether it's a little bit or if it's a lot, they have a smell, and it's just like, this unit is 180 density, 180 density, which the density is the more hair you get. And so typically 130 density to 150. 150 is actually normal. 130 is like really, really thin density. Like you get your wig and it's like, girl, this thing has 1 bundle of hair on here. I know they lie. So I recommend always going for 150 and above. Always. Sometimes, depending on the company, 150 can be too thin as well. So you just really have to read reviews when you're dealing with hair to make sure that you get the best for your money, okay? Super Ghost Fawn. Do want to wait till it turns clear. So I'm just going in right here, pressing this in. So I am going in with my iron. As you can see, she has been used. And the degree that I have it on is 420. And so I'm gonna just go in a couple passes. Like so. Going from the back. So look at that, so freaking sleek. Oh my goodness, y'all, this hair to life. and a half-ish. And so, to give you a general idea of where 26 inches falls, so right, my button hip is here and it falls to my butt. So in the front, standing straight up, comes here. So I absolutely love this hair. So without further ado, let's get into our makeup. So before starting on my brows, I did go in with my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer to prime my eyebrows and also my T-zone area to reduce any shine from oil because I have very, very oily skin. Once I've completed both eyes by shading them in with a pencil, I'm going to go in with my spoolie, blend out the front of my brow, and then I'm going in with my Milani Conceal+perfect concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm just cleaning up those brows as you see. Make sure once you draw your line, you blend outward on the top and the bottom. Remember, don't forget to blend out those harsh lines. Once the brows are complete, we're going to go in and conceal our eyelids so that we can prep for the eyeshadow that we are going to apply. Next, we're going to be using our Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette. We're going to be using the first top 3 shades, the yellow, the orange, and then the brown. This part is very crucial that you make sure that you're consistent in your blending so that you can blend those shades together. Off camera, I applied my lashes, which are Mink by Kissy Lashes, which will be in the description link below where you can purchase those if you like them. They are in the style 010. Now going into the same concealer, my Milani Conceal+perfect in the shade Warm Almond. I'm just going in to highlight. Now I'm going in with a brush to blend out all of the highlighted areas. You want to make sure that you don't have any harsh lines and that it is blended flawlessly in with your foundation. Once I complete blending in all the highlighted areas, I'm going to go into my Black Radiance contouring palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm going to contour my face, which includes my cheekbones, forehead, the bridges of my nose, and underneath my chin. Once we've blended that powder in on our contour, we're going to go in with our Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Setting Powder in the shade Deep, and we're going to press that into all of the highlighted areas, underneath our eyes, down the middle of our nose, forehead, and chin. Then I'm going to go back and chisel out my cheekbone so that it really pops. Once that is complete, I'm going to go back into my Black Radiance contouring palette using the highlighter shade inside of that palette, and I'm going to highlight the high points of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Finally, I went in with my NK eye pencil in dark brown and lined my lips and applying my Boujee Lip Cosmetic lipstick in the color Fawn. Thank you guys so much for watching.